Hey guys, babsomotden here. So today's video is about the unboxing and the first impression of the Oraimo Airbuds 3, and this comes with the model number OEB E11D. Right on the front of the box, you are going to see mini size mighty sound, and you are going to see some features like powerful bass, noise reducing microphone, compact and comfortable, and game mode with the 365 days warranty from Oraimo. Up here you are going to see IPX7 waterproof rating, which means it can go into water of 1 meter for 30 minutes. So if you mistakenly drop this earbuds in water, it's going to survive, which I'll be testing in my review video. So remember to subscribe to the channel if you are new here, so that I can get the review once I'm done with it. So at the back of the pack, you are going to see the specification, which are Bluetooth version 5.2, Bluetooth range of 10 meters, battery playtime 5 hours on single charge, and case provide additional 15 hours with Type-C charging port. So that is all at the back of it, and by the side you can just see the Oraimo authentication center there, where you can scratch it and validate if it is original or fake. But this, I got it from Oraimo website, and I got it for 12,900 naira, which you can see right here, but now it has been reduced to 12,500 naira on Oraimo website. I'll be putting the discount code right in the description box, where you can get it for less than 12,500 naira. So if you are using that code, I'm just going to be putting it there for you so you can get it for cheaper price. So let's just see what's inside this box, and let's get down to business. All right, the things you are going to find in the box is the Oraimo Airbuds 3 itself, in 2 pair of extra ear tips, which is big and small, Type-C charging cable, and lastly the manual. I've done the unboxing short already, so let me just open this up for you guys to see if you really want to see what is inside each of them. So right here, these are the extra ear tips, 2 extra ear tips, the big and the small one. I think the one that comes with it, I'm okay with the one that comes with it, which I'm going to be testing for you shortly. The cable is a little longer than before, so it's okay this time around. Oraimo is really improving over time, and the welcome guide, you can just go through that once you are ready to go. So make sure you charge up your Oraimo Airbuds 3 before the first time use. Charging of this Oraimo Airbuds is less than 2 hours. For me, I was able to charge it for 1 hour and it went off. So this light just go off, that means it is fully charged. It's high, then it will be green, and if it is low, it will be orange or amber color. So that is how to know if your Oraimo Airbuds is charged or not. Now I want to show you the size when you compare it to the Oraimo FreePuds 3, because some people are asking me, is a bit smaller, can you just compare the size? All right, this is it right now. As you can see, it's the Oraimo FreePuds 3 is bigger than the Oraimo Airbuds 3. Okay, I'll be doing the compare video soon, so you guys should just watch out for that. My first impression about this Oraimo Airbuds 3, I noticed that these earbuds have strong magnets in them that makes it sit properly in its case. Unlike their competitors, they don't fall out of the case, and I like that. And if you open up the case, you are going to see some wordings on the inside of the case. As you can see right now, you are going to see the charging board, capacity of the battery, the serial number, the model number, output, and the certifications of the earbuds. Okay, so at the back is still glossy, which I don't really like, but they should have just put a pouch, you know, just to protect it from scratches and stuff like that. Bringing them out of their case, these guys are very small and compact in the ears. I just use it for some few minutes, and they are very, very comfortable. I can say that they are very good. So I tested it right in the rain, and in terms of sound quality, just with the little time I spent with them, they are very, very good. Though it has more of tremble, it is not with much bass, so I won't be concluding on that yet. I'll have to just use it for a while, maybe a day or two, and I'll be telling you guys what you should expect. So in my full review, I'm going to be explaining everything about these guys, views and comparison video. I remember babsomotden, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.